So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. If you do not see Command Prompt in this list, then you want to click on Save and Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Command Prompt, and now this will come up. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in bootrec /fix mbr and then click on Enter. And now we're going to type in bootsect /nt60 sys and then click on Enter again. And now we're going to type in bootrec /fix boot and then click on Enter again. And now for the last one, we're going to type in bootrec /rebuild BSOD and then click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, we're just going to close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.